Alright, everybody. What's up? What's up? It's Blackwood family. We back in here. It's an anniversary. We about to enjoy it, celebrate it. Got the beautiful wife right here. So, we're trying to figure out what we're going to eat. Drop the kids off at the mama house. Don't know what we want to eat. I know I'm hungry. I've been chomping down on some pineapple, so I'm ready to grub. What you got taste for?
I don't know, but
Bad
I haven't
Daddies
eaten all day. Oh, that's fine.
Bad Daddies.
We can do Bad Daddies.
Bad Daddies. If you don't know what Bad Daddies is, it's a burger joint, and you can pretty much make whatever the hell you want to make. Right? You can just do whatever you want. Well, I ain't gonna say everything, but you can do pretty much whatever you want. Salmon burger. We're gonna add an egg.
Add an egg. Fried.
Shawty gonna add an egg, a fried egg. So hold tight, everybody. It's gonna be a big ride. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we're gonna switch shades. The old lady likes the other shades, so she want to steal my shades. Oh shit, tripping. Can't be leaving no keys in the car.
No, God, please, no, no.
But alright, everybody. So we over here at Bad Daddy's. It's not too bad of a joint. You know, what's up?
Your camera is so clear.
Clearly.
Shut up. Clear.
Yeah, we're about to make it happen.
So we got the little outside section, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got, what's this, the Kim's hot honey chicken. It's basically like a spicy chicken sandwich. And then Daddy got, what is this? Some mushroom burger?
Magic mushrooms, and a bunch of mushrooms. And I got a Caesar salad, which is about to go down the drain. Nice. You got to finish that. You got to get more than half. You don't know.
Cheers. 6 years.
Yams. Oh, yams. Alright. Just got done eating some Bad Daddies.
That was good. They tried to get me drunk. I cannot finish that whole LA.
Yeah, that drink was
strong. It wasn't nothing but liquid.
shit. Well, they tipped the bottles on that motherfucking drink.
Got a little buzz. I ain't trying to get messed up.
Yeah. So we about to go get some
ice cream.
Oh.
I hope it's open. It's kind of hard to go walk in.
Sure.
You wanna walk in the park with me?
Yeah.
Like the happy couple deal?
Mm-hmm.
Is this Ever Creamery? Yeah, Ever Creamery.
So we got the ice cream. Yeah, she's a little buzzing about that Long Island iced tea that she didn't finish. But so far today, how you feel?
We having a good day.
Anniversary.
Quality time, just us, away from the kids.
No kids.
What kind of ice cream you got? Moose Tracks and what?
What?
Moose Tracks ice cream. Oh, you got mint.
Chocolate chip milk
Mint
and
chocolate chip.
praline cream, pecan praline.
I can't see. I'm simple, y'all. All I got is vanilla bean. This is a small. 2 scoops. How much was it? $5? It was like $4 something. The total was like $9 for both of us. So That was Ever Creamery. We at next in, what is it called? Next in Square. This is a place out here in Somerville. We at Next in Square. They got like a bunch of different little shops and stuff. Right across the street from Hall's Trap House.
So the wife wants to walk the beach, and I'm dressed down in these long ass fucking gray ass pants.
Just take our shoes off. I'm just trying to find something for us to do. I said walk the beach because it's like, it's not really hot, but it's hot. But it's not too hot, it's not too cold. Got a little breeze. And at the beach, you know, we get a little more breeze. So I thought this is the perfect weather to walk the beach.
She also got her old plain ass, vanilla ass ice cream.
Like
who? Like, I need y'all to answer this question for me. Like, what's up with this plain ice cream? Like, this plain, that's like eating chicken with no flavor.
No, it's not. You know, I'm a picky eater. And I just like vanilla. Vanilla bean. You can never go wrong with vanilla bean. If I'm somewhere new and I have to try something new and I want to make sure that I like what I'm trying, I'm going to get vanilla. Yeah.
Vanilla ice cream is so bland. It's just like chocolate ice cream. Like this, what else is in it? Nothing. It's just chocolate flavor. Like, give me more. That's what I want.
I just want to know why you all up in my cup and what I got. You got a whole moose track and pecan. Worry about your mooses and your pecans.
Again, it wasn't moose track. It was pecan praline and mint chocolate chip.
Either or. You want to go walk this beach or not? We can do it. Let's go to the beach or the park.
We're going to go. I'd rather go to the beach.
All right, let's go walk the beach.
All right, y'all. Road trip.
Huh? What you about to do? Go ahead, do what you was doing.
Well, you ain't recording my ass. You crazy.
I'm not recording your ass. I'm about to record what you about to do.
I go walk in the goddamn car.
Okay, well, just go walk to the car.
Bro, you weird.
So you're not going to open my door for me? See what I be talking about? 6 years and now you want to get comfortable. Thank you, Daddy. There we go. You gave me a kiss today. I love you.
I love you, sugar.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, we at Target. Daddy needs some slides since we about to go to the beach. I already stopped by the house and got mine. So we about to go into Target and see what we can find for him. So Target was a no-go, so we about to try Ross and whatever other little stores down here on this little strip. But it's hot. It's hot. But look how my skin is like melting. You see it? Look how my skin melting. The chocolate look good, ain't it? Yeah, we came in here for slides. Look at Adrian here.
Another one.
Shit, workout.
Why you got basketball shorts?
These are workout.
Okay, why you got workout shorts?
We
came for slides.
Wear these bitches immediately tomorrow. Bitch be on right then again.
Hours later.
Alright, y'all, change of plans. It's like 4:30. If we try to go to the beach is about 45 minutes away. We'll be in 5 o'clock traffic just trying to get to the beach. So we decided not to go to the beach. I don't know what we about to do right now. We're currently at the gas station getting gas. But I will pull y'all up whenever we decide what we got to do. I'm sleepy, to be honest. So if I go home and go to sleep, that might be the next option. But like I said, I'll pull y'all back up when we decide what we're going to do.